Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings app, you should just go to settings. Then you will enter to the window of apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of Picsart. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.